So it's really important when you are finished playing with your trapeze. So maybe it's been, 20 minutes, maybe it's been a lot longer, but when you finish, you can't just run off into your day. Like when you're finishing a traditional yoga class, you'd come down into a resting pose. The same thing has to happen in your trapeze play, if not more so, because we don't grow up turning upside down and hanging the other way around like little bats playing. We don't do that. And so the body's chemistry has to get used to that. So it's incredibly nourishing. It's really beneficial for the skeleton, for all the meridians in the body. Really amazing. But you've got to take it slowly. And you've got to remember that when you've finished playing, you've got to take a moment just to let everything settle back down and just let all that nourishment, all that healing that you've received from this just take root in the soil of the body. And that's when you would come down and do resting pose. Okay, so really simple. You use your mat for this and you just come down and come to lie all the way down onto your back. Okay, now there are two ways that you can do this. You can either pop your feet into the sling, yeah, and if that feels good for you, you can have happy feet just hanging there. Take your arms out to the sides, let your palms face upwards, and that might feel good for you if you don't really want the inner thighs to stretch or you don't want to splay out too much with the legs for whatever reason. Otherwise, you can just take your foot into the long handle, pop it around your ankle, and just let your leg hang in that, okay? And this feels really comfortable. So you get nice and comfy in that. And again, find your peaceful place. Lift up your shoulder blades, plant them back down on the ground. Let your palms face upwards. And just allow the breath to move easily through the body. So nothing to do, nowhere to go for the next few minutes, just allowing the whole body just to relax down into the earth. Really feeling all the benefits of that incredible flush, that chi flowing through the body. So quieten the mind. Eyes closed. Just see if you can relax the body deeper and deeper, and see if you can let go of all holding through the legs. There's nothing to hold on to. They're completely supported. Just let go. See, relaxation is a practice. We practice letting go, and then we let go some more. And we can always relax more. There's always a deeper space to go. Just allow yourself to be here. Don't be in a hurry. Just with every breath, just notice, is there anywhere else you can release tension? What about the shoulder blades? And just allowing this deep sense of peace just to enter the body. And then once you've been here for a few minutes, just wriggle your fingers, bring your awareness back into the body. Your legs might feel so relaxed here, they almost disappear from consciousness. So wriggle your toes a bit. And then slowly coming out, just letting go of one, letting go of the other. And remember, you always want to come out very slowly, just rolling onto the side, hanging out here for a moment. Rolling onto the side. And then coming all the way up. So that's your relaxation pose. Good work.